Getting more greens is something that you probably hear lots about, especially if you follow nutrition pages like mine. As a certified health and nutrition coach, I do focus on sharing all of the good nutritious foods we should be eating and need to eat more of. And when we look at kind of the state of our health in the world, we could all do a little bit better of including more nutritious food. One of the most nutritious things that we can do is add more greens. Greens have all kinds of health benefits. And what I hear a lot from my clients and from people in general, it's just hard to include if you don't necessarily like having salad all the time, which I don't recommend. There's lots of other ways we can get our greens as well. So this week in the blog, I'm going to be sharing with you some extra tips as to how you can get more greens in your day, whether you're hiding them in your food or just getting a little bit creative ways to add more. This blog is for you. So if you've been looking for more energy or to lose weight, or just wanting to pick up some healthier habits or get a little bit more creative in your cooking in the kitchen, then this blog is for you. This blog is all about how to get some more greens in your day. Dive on in and enjoy. And if you have tips as to how you can get more greens, share with us as well. The more the merrier. Leave a comment on the blog, and I cannot wait to hear from you.